All right, here's a story you may find a little out there. Documents obtained under access to information suggest Ottawa has little interest in tracking or investigating UFOs.
The number of sightings is increasing across Canada, but it's up to civilian volunteers to tell us what's going on up in the sky. Here's Stephen Putticombe.
What the hell is that?
Amateur footage on YouTube of a UFO sighting over Halifax. There are a growing number of videos like this one on the internet. Most can be explained. Paper lanterns floating in the sky, flares, or even meteors. But some cannot. The federal government used to track and investigate some UFO sightings, but documents obtained by CBC News suggest those days are over. The government will take the information from citizens. There were about 40 or 50 reports last year, then pass it on to Chris Rutowski, a science writer who has produced the Canadian UFO Survey since 1989. In 2011, he said there were over 900 sightings around the country, and Rutowski says 2012 should be even larger.
We do notice that for January, February, we're actually quite high in terms of numbers. So probably we're going to be close to a record once again for 2012.
That's largely thanks to many people who have devoted their lives to the study of UFOs.
I hear a lot because people know I'm not going to laugh at them. I'm safe to talk to. Others, people are very much intimidated by fear of ridicule.
Many interested in UFOs say the government can't continue to ignore the growing number of sightings.
We feel that there's sufficient data that basically we just have to be able to talk about it at an honest level and try to encourage our governments to tell us what they know.
But the government, with a growing number of cutbacks, isn't likely to give out any more money to investigate UFOs. That's going to be left to ordinary citizens and those with a keen scientific interest in the unexplained. Stephen Putticombe, CBC News, Halifax.
Okay, we'd like to hear from you. Have you ever seen a UFO? Call toll-free 866-420-4551 or email. The address is cbcns@cbc.ca. Please leave your full name and we'll have your thoughts on our stories every weeknight at 5:20.